In this video, I'll show you how to trade on Base using Coinbase Wallet. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app and signing into your wallet. Next, tap the network selector at the top of the screen and make sure Base is selected. If you're on another network, switch to Base before continuing. After that, make sure you have assets on the Base network, including a small amount of ETH to cover gas fees. Now tap Swap from the home screen. Next, choose the token you want to trade in the From field, then select the token you want to receive in the To field. After that, enter the amount you want to swap. Coinbase Wallet will automatically calculate the estimated amount you'll receive, along with the network fee and exchange rate. Now review the transaction details carefully, including the selected network and any price impact. Next, tap Preview Swap, then tap Confirm to approve the transaction. Finally, wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Base network, then return to your wallet and verify that your updated token balance is displayed. And that's it. You successfully learned how to trade on Base using Coinbase Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.